Spotting rats on your property is never a good sign, but it can be worse to spot them around your garden or flower beds. Rats have sharp teeth and claws, giving them the ability to gnaw through any vegetation and cause additional damage with frequent burrowing and climbing. So in this video, we'll review some signs of rodent activity in your garden or ornamental landscaping and show you how to get rid of them. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about rodent control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Before you start any pest control, you'll need to make sure you're actually dealing with rats, as inaccurate identification can lead you to use the wrong control methods and products. The presence of holes or burrows may indicate Norway rats on your property. Norway rats will burrow in soft soils near reliable food sources such as gardens. They're often found concealed underneath bushes or other types of vegetation. The entrances are typically 2 to 4 inches in diameter and run 1 to 6 feet deep. Rats are shy, blind pests that travel along the sides of a structure in order to remain safe and hidden from predators. Look for grease marks along fences, gate posts, steps, or on the exterior of building walls adjacent to a garden or landscape space. In grassy areas, the vegetation will be flattened, worn, or dead, creating a noticeable path. Droppings are the easiest identifier of rats. Rat droppings look similar to black grains of rice, only thicker and longer. Norway rat droppings have blunt ends and measure up to 3/4 of an inch in length. Roof rat droppings have pointed ends and measure up to 1/2 inch in length. You can find high concentrations of rat droppings on their runways or around feeding and nesting sites. Rats are nocturnal, conducting most of their activity at night. Track the condition of any plants on your property. If any of them become damaged or disappear overnight, then that may be due to rats digging around. Pay particular attention to any plants grown for consumption. Rats will frequently gnaw on surfaces to maintain the health and size of their teeth. These gnaw marks can be seen on garden doors, fences, hoses, plants, and other materials made out of wood, rubber, vinyl, and low-grade concrete. Once you've confirmed rodent activity in your garage or landscape, it's time to take action. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves in order to keep your human scent off any products. First, make your garden or landscaping less conducive to rodent activity. Rats prefer to travel in tall, dense, grassy areas alongside structures or fences, so mow down your lawn to its proper height when it gets too tall, and trim any overgrown tree branches or shrubbery. Pick up any fallen plant debris to eliminate any nesting material on your property. Outdoor garbage bins should be secured with a lid and stored away from your home, garden, and any landscape areas. Any fallen fruit or nuts in your yard or garden should be picked up and disposed of regularly. Once your yard is cleaned up, start control by setting up snap traps. To control rodents outdoors, we recommend you use Easy Set rat traps placed inside of a Solutions rat and mouse bait station. Easy Set rat traps are durable and reusable traps designed to be safe to use and to eliminate rats quickly. By setting these traps inside of tamper-proof bait stations, you'll avoid contact with people, children, or non-target animals. Set the stations along any structures the rats will travel by to reach the garden or landscape area. Do not set any stations in the garden. Check the traps daily to remove any dead rodents. In addition to snap traps, you'll also want to use a rodenticide bait like Eratication rodent bait. Eratication is a slow-killing rodenticide that prevents a rodent population from developing bait shyness. Load a rat and mouse bait station with up to 4 eradication blocks, and set the station flush against the exterior of your home structure. We recommend you set up multiple stations 20 to 40 feet apart. Check the stations once a day to replenish any bait until rodent activity ceases. After setting up traps and bait, it may take up to 2 weeks to see a noticeable reduction in pest activity. Rats can be destructive to gardens and landscaping, but with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop rodents from invading your property, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.